plan to make a product on temperature sensor, or you want to measure the PCI's temperature value in your industry or in your lab, if you are planning to buy one, so I will suggest use SHTC3 temperature and humidity sensor rather than DHT22. Hi everyone, welcome back to IT Bhai. Hope all you're good. I am Tipu from IT Bhai. I'm also good. Today I will show you a industrial grade temperature and humidity sensor. This is SHTC3 temperature and humidity. Okay, so this sensor is very fast and it's work on I2C. So these two are the basic temperature and humidity sensor, like DHT22, this is DHT20 and DHT11. These two are very popular and beginner friendly sensor, but in the industrial product or industrial temperature and humidity sensor we cannot use them because this error rate is much higher, and also this is a very slow sensor. It takes almost 2 seconds to read the data from it. Okay, but SHTC3 is a temperature and humidity sensor built for industrial, and it's much higher price than DHT22, and also sensor value as fast as our microcontroller support. So today I will interface this SHTC3 temperature and humidity sensor with ESP32, and I will compare with DHT22, so we can see how much difference the temperature and humidity in my current room. So let's make the circuit. I already upload the circuit diagram in the screen, so you can just follow. Very simple. This one have 5 pin. This is V in, so we will connect this V in pin to 3.3 volt, and we don't use the 3 volt pin here, and this is ground pin. We will connect the ground in the ESP32, and there is I2C pin, so SCL and SDA. So we will connect SCL to GPIO 19, and in the SDA pin we will connect GPIO 22. Much simple. So I already make the circuit when testing, but I share the link in the description, so you can just easily follow it. So that's it. This is the circuit, and I will show you the data in the screen. So let's upload the code. So first let's connect this ESP32 with our PC, and when you give power, your SHTC3 module also got power. Okay. Okay, so this is a basic code. I will show you. We need a library, the Adafruit SHTC3 library. You can download this library from the library manager here. Just search Adafruit SHTC3 here. So this is the library, and I will put this code link in the description, so you can just download the code and use it. So let's upload the code. So tools com16, and let's upload the code. Okay, so done uploading, and let's open the serial monitor, and you can see we are getting temperature and humidity. So right now the temperature in my room is 32.24 degrees Celsius and 78.86 RS, and right now it's only 2 second delay, but I will give only 200 millisecond delay. So let's see what happened. Let's upload the code. You can see it's giving the data only 20 millisecond delay, and it's perfect. And if we I press my finger on the temperature sensor, and you can see the temperature is just increase. Okay, and I release it, it's decreasing. So very fast. Actually it is very fast. So we are getting temperature changes is very fast, and now I will connect this DHT22 in another in another ESP32. So this is the DHT22 sensor setup, almost same. I will put this circuit diagram also in the screen, so you can just just make the circuit if you want, and I will. Okay, so I connect the DHT22 sensor, another sensor, and I will upload the code for the another sensor. Please wait, and here it is. So this is DHT22, and this one is COM, I think 17, and let's upload the code. It's also simple code. DHT22 is connected on 23 digital pin, and DHT type is 22. So let's open the serial monitor, and yeah, it's start giving data. If you see closely, this one is 32 and this one is 32.22 and 78, 70. So little difference in the value, nothing more. But in the industrial, where they are certified, need precious level sensor, and if I give a sensor comparison of DHT22 and SHTC3. So this one is interface on one wire, so only digital pin 1, and this is one I2C pin, and wiring you can see SDSCL, and this one is one GPIO need, and bus sharing is no bus sharing. So this one is one pin for one sensor, and we can use many sensor on one bus SHTC3 because the address is different. And temperature accuracy, this is the fact, temperature accuracy is DHT22 is plus minus 0.5 degree, and SHTC3 is plus minus 0.2 degree Celsius. So that means it's more precise level data, accuracy is good, and R is also 2 to 5% R is plus minus, and this one is only plus minus 2%. So DHT22 actually it's actually problem with RS, and this one is very more. And speed that is talking about, the speed is 20-second minimum, and it is only 10 millisecond. And operating voltage we can use 5 volt here, but in STC the chip actually receive the 3.6 volt, but we are using a module. Okay, and of course there is a difference in sleep current. So when the sensor is sleep, the DHT22 can take 15 microampere. So it will be huge different in battery operated devices like 0.3 microampere, and size is low in the module, and of course the SHTC3 is more price than the DHT22 because this is a industrial sensor as well. So if I take my hand in the both sensor, this one is SHTC3 and this one is the temperature. So you can see the temperature is increasing in the 33.73, and in the DHT22 is increasing 22. So because this is a delay, make the same delay and upload the code again. Okay, so this one and this one, you can see the arrays of DHT is almost 82.3, but in the arrays in our SHTC3 is 79. So here is the different. And now test on both hand. This is the temperature I put in the SHTC3, and this one is the DHT22. So temperature is just first increase in 34.25 in the SHTC3, but slow changing in DHT22. You can see it's almost 32.30 same, and now 33.40. So the sensor accuracy and sensor speed is the main difference here. This one is changing much faster than the SHT22. So if you plan, if you plan to make a product on temperature sensor, or you want to measure the PCS temperature value in your industry or in your lab, if you are planning to buy one, so I will suggest use SHTC3 temperature and humidity sensor rather than DHT22. This one is for basic, and if you have tolerate those value, then it will be okay, but this one is very precise level. So this one the different main difference. So I hope you can understand what the difference. So thank you all. I hope you like my video. So please subscribe my channel, and I will upload more video future. Thank you.